Give me a blonde bob make it a Robert.
So this guest came in and said, you know what? I want a bob, but I don't just want like a basic straight across straight line bob. Let's make it a Robert. I was like, what's a Robert? So, like a little bit more edgy, maybe a little bit more A-line, some graduation in the back. So Philip Wolf Hair came in and started creating the baseline in the back of Chris's hair. You can see there like that perfect layer in the back, and then he dropped the top. It was pretty long, and you see she had a lot of regrowth. She said, I want a really icy blonde, super beachy, very Malibu, California. So I was like, okay, I got you. So Philip came in and just kept taking out those layers. We decided to cut first. A lot of you guys ask why sometimes we don't cut first. Sometimes it's just if we're busy in the salon. It's however it works out with timing. But in this case, it was perfect because I really wanted to see Philip's lines and edges. If you see there, he has it longer in the front and really short and sort of A-line in the back. We cut off so much of her hair. For a minute there, she's like, oh my God. But then she said, you know what, Alfredo, let's get into this color. I wanted to do my free form painting, hand-painted balayage for this. I used 30 volume and my lightener, and I painted my lines, if you see there, and then in the next section, I zigzag it and paint my lines in between. When I get to the face, I usually hold the hair straight up and do a very light, natural face framing around the top, and I let that process for about an hour. Then it's time for my base break. I talk to you guys about this all the time. I put twice as much developer. I did 20 volume and 8 NA and 7 NA. You have to apply it really fast because I only leave it on for about 5 minutes. Here's the finished results. What do you guys think of this blonde bob? Are you into it? Do you think it's a Robert? What is it? Let us know in the comments.
All right, what are we doing? This has grown out over the last year or two from a pixie. It's really bulky here. Do something kind of soft, kind of curtain bang. Cut off this excess here. Now the French bob, sort of. Okay, need pictures? Yes. Do you like this bang more, or do you like this bang more? I like that one more. Whatever you think. I'm very really low maintenance. Okay. So, whatever's clever. Yeah. How short do we want to go? Not any shorter than these. Keep it flattering. It's cutting it close, no pun intended. A touch slower than the jawline, if that's okay, possible. So maybe right above this little muscle right here. Yeah. Of those pictures, there's not really much layering. Do you want it to be blunt, all one length? Lean towards blunt. No, I don't want it towards. Yeah. And how short do we want bangs? The shortest length being probably right in here. Yeah. Bang bob, or do you want bang connecting into? Connecting in. Okay, yeah. Perfect. Easy peasy. Any questions, any comments, any concerns? I do love a razor. I'm good, if you're good. I'm good. Yeah. Oh my God, I love it. You look cute. Let me pull this off. This is really cute on you. I love it. And then I'm gonna give you a mirror so you can see it all the way around. You did it perfectly, the way I wanted, Beautiful, that's what I like to hear. I love it. And it's perfect. I feel cute.
Hello everyone, watch me cut Miranda's hair into the Bianca Sensory inspired cut. Yes, we said it. At first I was a bit like, oh, are we sure? But Miranda's got the perfect face for a short haircut and she wanted something nobody else had, which I love. So yeah, we are cutting out all the shapes today, point cutting, slicing, razoring, and as you can see here, Miranda is super chilled. She's from Berlin, so this doesn't really surprise me. So I want this haircut to feel a bit disconnected, so I cut the outline wet, bringing up the shape through the front super short, and then graduate that slightly, but not too much that we lose the edginess. I'm then using my razor to remove some of the weight and texturize the hair at the same time to stop it looking too heavy. And you can see here, I just keep checking that length through the front and the shape's really coming together. It looks so cute. And once the hair is dry, I start really slicing into the shape, softening all the hair around the face and texturizing the back as we don't want the outline to look too sharp. If you guys could have seen the amount of hair on the floor right now, I mean, she's literally covered. But yeah, we just had to keep slicing the weight out so it didn't look too heavy. And this is the final look. I love it. I think it's a really nice twist on your normal bob. It has a slight edge to it and it looks super sexy. Thank you, Miranda, for being the perfect model. And yeah, let me know what you think, guys.
quite recently.
You're literally addicted to getting your hair done. How long has it been?
I don't want to tell you, you'd probably say I can't dye it.
Why?
Maybe about 6 weeks. So I want to go shorter. I know we've cut it a few times now. I'm thinking just that little bit.
Okay, yeah, perfect.
Just want another freshener and I just want it to feel super blonde, super fresh. I really like the 90s style haircut.
Nice and bouncy.
Yeah, nice and bouncy.
Okay,
I just wanted to
perfect.
make it more of a statement.